San Rio's perspective, we are of course very happy with the turnout. But of course, it's not yet finished. So we are still monitoring and we're hoping na 100% successful siya. And of course, history in the making. I think this is the biggest half marathon. So 7,000 participants and 19,000 total. So far, so good, no? In terms of safety and security. So we're still monitoring. And of course, we are very happy with our partnership with Samsung, the Galaxy Manila Marathon. So we are hoping, Ms. Michelle, to have this partnership more pa next year and more years to come. And our friends from PSA, thank you so much for coming at napatakbo ko sila. Thank you guys, thank you.
Coach, this is a qualifying to the SEA Games, right? And the result is that Edward Flores beat the national team. So what will happen now?
So that one I will let Patapan decide, no? I'm actually with Edward kanina yung last 3 kilometer niya. So I'm actually cheering for him. He's my athlete in UP. I recruited him when he was in high school. So my player from the UAAP. So I'm very happy na siya yung champion for this race. And hoping na makalaro siya. But I think Salanyo is still a good runner. And we are hoping na sana tatlo sila para lahat sila.
Yeah, Miss Michelle, a lot of runners are so happy that this race is a Patapa sanction and international sanction also, and a qualifying to the national team. Will Samsung will hold another kind of race next year?
That's a really great question. But I really do hope that we will still compete at Rodrigo. Like, with the turnout of the event, I'm very much hopeful. And I mean, so far it's really been a success. So I'm really looking forward to it.
This is our second year of partnership, but of course, I'm one of the ambassador and proud Galaxy here. So, hoping guys na next year, mag-join ulit kayo. We are hoping na mas marami tayong na-inspire, na-motivate ng mga runners na mag-continue sila. Maraming first time na tumakbo ng 42K, 21K, 10K, and 5K. So, I'm very happy. Thank you, Michelle. And of course, Samsung Galaxy for supporting us, no? Always. Thank you so much.
Okay, Coach, with regards niya doon sa Philippine Marathon Majors, may mga abangan pa tayo mga karera along the way, so pakitin niyo na.
Yes, so this coming September 7, our midnight run happening here also. Already 13,000 runners. But of course, yung pinaghandaan natin yung November 9, yung ating Trilogy Run Asia National Finals here also. But marami pa kaming races na upcoming, so standby lang kayo. Of course, pupunta ulit kami sa inyo, mga kaibigan natin sa PSA for always supporting us. Thank you.
And of course, looking forward sa next year na Manila Marathon, do we expect na mas marami mga runners ang pupunta dyan?
We are hoping to get 25,000 to 30,000. No? So,
And a bigger venue.
yeah, the venue I think we can adjust, no? So let's see. Yun yung instruction natin sa mga staff natin na if we can do 25 to 30,000 next year. But of course, safety and security is our top priority. If hindi siya doable, then we will continue with the 19,000 runners.
Okay, but then,
What you mentioned, 19K, ilang countries yung sumali aside from the Philippines?
Yeah, so we have a total of 16 countries and almost 300 participants. So because we also have partners from Europe who selling our events. So we are very happy na nandito sila. So I saw them, we invited them to be in the wave 1 so that they can experience the hospitality of the Filipino.
Coach, based on the turnout, it seems like 21K yung pinakamarami. What does that tell you about the running?
So nagpo-progress. No? So nagpo-progress sila from the 5K, 10K. Before kasi yung 5K and 10K yung madami natin. So this time, nag-graduate na sila sa 5K and 10K. So hoping na continue lang nila yung preparation. Siyempre hindi naman natin kagad sila pinupush to do yung 42K because it takes a lot of preparation. and we don't want them to have a bad experience kapag hindi sila prepared. Kasi if you run your first marathon and you're not prepared, it's actually not a good feeling. So what we really want to motivate runners is to train, prepare, and then you will have, I guarantee you will have a really good experience. Okay? But of course, when you train, use Galaxy Band.